Welcome to my course on building your e-commerce store with Amazon affiliate products. I'm going to provide my successful automated e-commerce money-making system with Amazon affiliate marketing in this course. This is not going to be just a basic e-commerce site creation course. You're going to get my step-by-step blueprint which can bring you assured income from your Amazon affiliate e-commerce store very easily. And guess what? You're also going to get my Amazon affiliate marketing software 100% free with the course. You know what? This software can bring you tons of laser targeted traffic to your website using social media traffic. Before we get into the course, let me introduce myself. I'm Rufina and I have over 7 years of experience in affiliate marketing. I have 10 plus Amazon affiliate e-commerce sites which makes me a good passive income for the past 3 to 4 years. And in this course, I'm just going to explain my successful technique that I'm following for myself to be an Amazon affiliate marketer. So who can take this course? Anybody who is really interested in creating a top quality e-commerce store and who want to start making money online with Amazon affiliate marketing can take this course. You can either be a complete newbie in e-commerce or an experienced affiliate marketer. This course will help you a lot more in accomplishing your vision. Let me tell how this course will benefit you. After watching this course, you can build your own e-commerce store in WordPress platform. You will also learn to build a good Amazon affiliate e-commerce store. You will also get my blueprint to bring instant social media traffic using the software that I provide with the course. Above all, you will learn to implement my successful Amazon affiliate marketing system after completely watching the course. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or queries anywhere in the course. I'm always there to support you. So I hope by now you have got some idea of what this course is all about. In my next lecture, I'll give you an overall view of what you're going to learn from this course.